Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Comet R3 PanSTARRS Behind Satellite Trails. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see an image of the sky showing Comet R3 PanSTARRS, and can you see it there? Well, we'll zoom in and take a quick look at it, and there it is toward the center of the image, and that is Comet R3 PanSTARRS that we've been looking at over the past few weeks. Now it's made its closest approach to the sun and its closest approach to Earth and is starting to head back out of the solar system now. And what it is doing is now getting very close to the sun. So not only is it hard to see here because of all the satellite trails, but it's also hard to see because it's relatively close to the sun in the sky, meaning it's up when the sun is up, and of course it's a lot fainter, so it's going to be hard to be able to see it. Now, it will be moving out of the glare of the sun soon and will be visible to those in the southern hemisphere. Of course, at the same time, it will be fading, making it much harder to see as well. Now, this image was taken about 2 weeks ago and shows many satellite trails. Now, you normally don't see that many. This is actually about 10 minutes worth of exposure, making it much longer, so picking up fainter objects that your eyes might not pick up easily, as well as bringing out more detail by showing the entire path instead of just a satellite moving across the sky. So here we can see a whole bunch of those, and it gives you an idea of how many satellites there are moving around that we would see from one area in just a relatively short period of time. Now, the satellites themselves are most easily visible right before sunrise or right after sunset. That's when they, which many of them are in lower Earth orbit, are able to be seen because they are still reflecting light from the sun, whereas the sun has set for those of us on the ground. So they are still reflecting the sunlight, whereas we don't see it because they are much higher up. They can see around the curvature of Earth and therefore still be glowing by light from the sun, even when other parts of the Earth are no longer being illuminated. So we don't see them in the middle of the night very easily because then the sun is completely set for everyone, and even those on a satellite would not be able to see the sun. But here we do see a lot of those satellite trails, and hidden among them, right in the middle there, is Comet R3 PanSTARRS that we've been looking at over the past few weeks. So that was our picture of the day, titled Comet R3 PanSTARRS Behind Satellite Trails. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Cometary Heads. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.